what's the news, barbecues? Yo, I have a free sandwich thing for Subway, but I ate Subway yesterday. So, why I gotta be all boring and shit?
1, 2, 3,
We'll go get some pizza, but I don't know why I'm telling you that. There was something I wanted to say, and now I forgot it. I still haven't cut the hair. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. Whatever. It's a daily battle. Stress me. Oh, here's a new segment on the blog I'd like to call "What's Your Fortune, Billy? What's your fortune cookie, Billy?" Yeah. So I ordered Chinese and I needed to fill like $1 or so or more to, you know, because they have a minimum delivery thing, and so I had to, you know, get some. So why don't we open one on camera, and that'll be the thing we do this week. Yeah? Okay, let's see what it says. Fuck that. I'm out of here. This week I learned that even though bedpans are greater than street pants, sometimes places are too far to walk around in your bedpants, because people look at you weird, even though it's the comfiest thing ever, and everyone really wants to just walk around in their bedpants. This message has been brought to you by Pants.